The mother's taken this 5-year-old son for a fortnight's holiday to visit his grandmother and grandfather. And they decided to cut the holiday short by 3 or 4 days. And as soon as they get back to the house, the little boy dashes upstairs to put all his presents away that his grandmother had bought him. And when he comes down, he says, "Mum, the woman from next door is in your bed. And she's trying to get to heaven. She's still screaming, 'Jesus Christ, I'm coming. Jesus Christ, I'm coming.'" And you know, I think she'd have got there if it hadn't been for Dad lying on top of her holding her down.
Now they're in the width.
Daddy goes, "I knew much to be a millionaire. And he answers all the questions, no problem. Bang, 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 right up to the last question. Chris Allen says, "Paddy, one more question for £1 million. Now think hard. What's the colour of the ears round your wife's fanny? Blonde, brown, or black?" And Paddy scratches his chin, he says, "Listen, is it all right to ring a friend?"
You were at my school. You was in my class.
He said to the landlord, "That bloody bitch of a wife of mine, 35 years of nag. I'd pay to get her done in." And the landlord says, "Well, you've come to the right place. Little Archie sitting over that corner seat there. Professional killer. Go and have a word with him." He goes across, he says, "You're Archie, the professional killer." "That's me," he says. "What do you want?" He says, "I want the wife turned in." Archie says, "How do you want it? Gun, knife?" He says, "No, she's given me this for 35 years. I'd like to strangle." Archie says, "I can arrange that, no problem." Look, so how much is it going to cost me? Archie says, "Well, I've had a record number of murders this year. I'm in a bloody good mood. I've had half a dozen whiskies or so under the belt. I'll do it for £1." The bloke says, right, you'll have no problem finding her. She works just 3 doors down the road here at Tesco. She said, check her out. Bright red hair and blue blouse." Archie goes down, bright red hair and blue blouse. He waits till she knows the ladies and he whips in and he does it in. He's just walking out of Tesco's and he looks across. "Christ, there's another check it out. Bright red hair and blue blouse. I can't make a mistake, I'm a professional." He waits till she goes to the ladies and he's there in too. The next night, in the papers, it says, "Artichokes, 2 for £1 at Tesco's." And that reminds me. It's the Artichoke Festival.
Oh, Sunday night, midnight.
But you know, Saturday and Sunday the washout.
Raining.
Oh my Christ. They're warning already on alert.
Are they?
Yeah.
Oh, we're fine.
Benidorm. Saturday Benidorm is very bad.
Rusty, not?
Well, the whole coast, not just Benidorm now.